Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn Google into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, in order to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding roofing businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, go up to the upper search bar, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name. Then after doing that, you're going to scroll down to the organic search results, pick from the first few results down below, or you'll go up to this Google Map Pack and pick from the first few results there. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you do, but it seems to be a pretty popular option overall, as you'll notice there are about 720 searches every single month for roofing in that Fort Worth area. And the goal of this video is to put your business at the forefront of those searches so that we can guarantee that 720 people every single month see your business first before looking at another competitor. Now, in order for that to happen, there is a few different things that need to happen first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content to rank on the first page, and then we'll talk about what you'll need to do to start building out your website to really go in and compete with them. So here we are looking at Lawnsmith Roofing, and they rank on the first page organically for roofing companies in the Fort Worth area. And if we scroll down their page, what you're going to notice is that they have a ton of content on this website. And that's done on purpose because ultimately content gives users something to engage with and promotes a really positive user experience. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when they are looking to promote a website. So like I said, we're going to want a lot of content. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words, but you might need even more than that to really go in and outrank these guys. So feel free to go above and beyond that. That's just the bare minimum of what I recommend. But if we even examine their content further, you'd also notice that they have tons of keywords and phrases, keywords being the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, where we're located, and overall who we are as a company. So very important that we have very industry specific keywords to go along with that content. So that's definitely what we want to do on the first half of everything, or our internal side, and that's going to help lay the foundation for our website. But we also have a whole second part to this, which is our external side. And that external side is going to help us climb over our competitors, and it really consists of backlinking and citations. So let's go over to a tool I have called Ahrefs and take a look at your competitor's overall backlink structure. So now here we are in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll see your competitor has about 10,000 backlinks built to their site. They're generating some nice power, and ultimately it's bringing them in 2,600 users every single month. Now those 2,600 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally with content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their overall backlink structure. Now, it's very important that we do both if we want to create the most amount of traffic possible. And like I said, if we go in and we start outdoing them in backlinking, we get upwards of 15,000 backlinks along with our content, our 1,000 plus words of content and our industry specific keywords. I see no reason as to why your website shouldn't be able to generate upwards of 3,000 users every single month. But now there was one more thing that I mentioned in this video, and that was citations. So let's go over the Google Map Pack really quickly and talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. So now we're back to Google and we're looking at this Google Map Pack. Now this map pack is very important for a variety of reasons, but the most important being is that it gives us another place that we could be seen online. So we want to rank number one in the map pack as well as down below in the organic search results. And if we do that, like I said, we can guarantee that 720 people see our business first before looking at another competitor. But in order to rank in the map pack, there's a variety of different things that they look for. One of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yellow Book, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, Yelp. All those are different citations you can give for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I went into Google and I took a look at each one of these companies and how many citations they had. At number one, we have 72. At number two, we had 58. And lastly, at number three, we had 45. So if number one has 72 citations, we always want to go bigger and better. So we're going to want 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our industry-specific keywords. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic you're generating for your business, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that your website is bringing you every month. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what could an extra 720 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video was very educational, and thank you for watching.